Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the device is unlocked and you're at the home screen. Open Settings now or swipe into Control Center if your device uses that shortcut. Tap the Do Not Disturb or Focus entry to reveal active schedules and overrides. This is where the silent rules live. Once done, you'll see whether a schedule, bedtime, or a third-party app is enforcing DND. Make sure to note the active source before you change anything so you can revert if needed. You need to turn off the specific rule enforcing Do Not Disturb rather than toggling audio. First, disable any scheduled DND or focus mode by flipping its schedule or master switch. Next, inspect exception lists for calls and apps. Remove exceptions only if required. Then check app permissions and background access for third-party apps that may re-enable DND. Revoke their permission. Once those are cleared, the system won't auto-enter DND, and you'll regain normal notifications without losing custom settings. After disabling rules, test by sending a message or triggering a calendar alert to confirm notifications arrive. If you still see silent behavior, reboot the device to clear cache states and recheck settings. Restarts often resolve lingering flags. If DND persists, reset or delete problematic focus profiles and recreate them deliberately. This removes corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if notifications remain blocked, check system-wide.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.